all those people asking how often you clean your deck. This is how dirty my deck got after doing it once. So unless you want a moldy deck, clean your deck after each use before you put your deck away. You don't want your deck smelling like mold. Seriously, this is how dirty my deck got. What I do is I just take the thick stuff off. That way, my deck doesn't smell like a shoe. If I was to put that away like that, my deck would get pretty stinky and grow some mold. And I like to leave it out in the sun like it is right now too, to let it dry out. You gotta get the thick stuff off first though. Only takes a couple of minutes to clean your deck. Get them big chunks off. That's probably good enough until the next time I do it with my deck. And then get a green garbage bag for the shit pail. Put that in the shit pail and pick up the dog shit. Dog poop. This is my yard. I didn't weed whack today. I did both the front and the back. I'm doing it every 5 days right now. The lawn's got a few brown spots. That's because I have 2 dogs. But this side is way more thicker than the front because that dog pee fertilizes it.